Thick, 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 thick. Oh, this is a fail. What's up, everybody? My dumplings, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to episode 3 of Whisking It. Oh man, I'm excited for today. I've got a little pot there of hot water going, should be up momentarily. I have some great little treats to share with you guys today. So take off that mask, let your hair down, looks good on you by the way, and relax. Let's have a little fun right now. Someone's whistling at me, let me shut this off real quick. That's right. That's my little friend who's going to help me today pair our dessert with, as you guys know, my coffee, the AeroPress. That's right. This guy, invented by Alan Adler back in like 2005. He's an American inventor. Thank you, Alan, for that. And anyways, this is why I'm excited for my buddy Alan, because he invented this AeroPress. You know, it's fun, easy to travel, easy to pack. I'll show you guys how I use it. But today we are going to bake some apple pie dumplings. Oh, I'm excited. I love apples. I love apple pie. And I love dumplings. If you guys have ever had any dumplings, the wife took me a few months back, several months back now, probably a year ago, maybe less, I don't know, to a dumpling restaurant, and we had dumpling soup and dumpling desserts and just mouth watering just thinking about it. Awesome times. So I'm combining the love of apple pie and dumplings, smashing them together, and yeah, let's jump right to it. Okay, so I am using 2 golden delicious apples, as you can see here. This is what the recipe calls for, and this is what I will be using. Peel apples, completely removing all skin and stems. So let's get a peeling. A peeling, get it? All right, bye apple peels. The day I chose to wear white shoes, as you can see here, apple falls on it. So, cool. Great choice, Marbar. Good going. Okay, next step. Well, part of the first step, but the next part of the first step, let's jump back in. Have the apples across the middle, creating both a top and bottom piece, okay? Now using a melon ball, remove the core, being careful not to go completely through the bottom. Once the core is removed, continue using the melon ball to carve out the interior of the apple, keeping the small pieces of apple separate, okay? Okay, see... Oh, this is a fail. But I'm so messy. It's not gonna go to waste. I'm gonna eat it. It just means I'm not gonna get a dumpling. The wife will. Just kidding. I bought another apple in case this stuff happens, and it does. But always come prepared with another golden apple. Let's wash this bad boy. Okay, attempt number 2. Apple is washed, ready to get peeled and cut to the core. Let's do this once more. Boom. They're, you know, small pieces. That's cool. Let's go to step 2. In a small bowl, we're going to combine the carved out apple pieces with the white sugar, cinnamon, cornstarch, and softened butter. And we're going to mix until all the apple pieces are evenly coated. It smells like a dried apple pie so far. Yeah, it smells good. But dry. All right. All right, so we're going to lay out a puff pastry, and I should say, I've got, of course I bought pre-made because Daddy knows what's best, and that's not being able to make these guys. Smells doughy. All right, so we're gonna lay one of these on a lightly floured surface with a rolling pin. Y'all remember Big Daddy from the last episode? Okay, so we'll use Big Daddy here. With a rolling pin, we're gonna spread pastry out to make a sheet measuring roughly 9 by 14 inches or 23 by 36 centimeter, whichever part of the world you're in, using the round top of a saucepan, ideally 6 to 7 inches or 15 to 17 centimeters in diameter. Cut 2 circles of pastry out of each sheet and set them aside. Okay, we're gonna scoop our apple filling mixture here. Fill hollowed pieces, I guess, like so. Egg white, by the way. Oh, cracked a little bit. So to make egg white, to get the egg white and not the yolk, what you want to do, set these guys over a little. Crack it, try to crack it right down the middle, and you'll see the egg white already leaking out there. And when you pop it open, you'll see it. What you want to do is sort of scoop it, the yolk that is, back and forth between bottom and top shell. And if you can tell, the egg white, see that nasty looking booger? That is just the egg white. Good for, you know, making egg white omelets, meringue, and then you could discard, well in this case we'll discard the yolk, but the yolk is also nice to bake with, fool around with, if you will. You know, you can make a really nice hollandaise sauce with the egg yolk, which I love. Oh no! Oh no! It's okay, see? Boom. Whew, took a deep breath, we caught that. Otherwise, we'd have to use another egg, God forbid. All right, we gotta whisk the egg white now, just enough. Just to get it going, they want it beaten. So we'll beat it just enough. Oh no, I'm beat. Okay, looks beat. Then we're going to apply a light wash of egg white to the rim of the pastry and fold toward the center over the apple, crimping the pastry as the edges meet. Continue all the edges until they have been brought together. Use your hands to keep shape of the dumpling. Oh, they're so cute. Ah. Let's do 2 more. Remind me to never apply to work at a dumpling restaurant because these are very mediocre. But maybe with practice, who knows? We're gonna brush more egg white over the top of each dumpling. Lastly, using a small knife, cut a small vent into the top of each dumpling. All right, so once we've brushed our dumplings with egg white and put some X's or scored the tops, we're going to put them on a baking sheet and brown for about 18 to 22 minutes. I'm gonna be safe and use some wax paper because I'm not sure what's gonna happen. All right, 18 to 22 minutes. Let's hope this works out. Next, we're gonna make the cider sauce. Okay, great. Water, cider, sugar, cinnamon. We're gonna bring this to a boil. So once we bring this to a boil, we're gonna allow the sauce to reduce until it becomes thick with 2 C's. We're gonna remove this from the heat, whisk it with the 2 tablespoons of butter and the half of lemon juice. Great. In the meantime, let's take a coffee break. So for our AeroPress here, we're gonna remove the bottom here. This is where the filter goes. pour some water over this just to get rid of, you know, any nasty paper taste. Your AeroPress should come with this spoon. It's about 2.5 scoops worth of coffee. The chamber, there's a rubber stopper here. You want that to be in just enough so it doesn't come out easily. You put in your coffee there, okay? And then you're gonna add your water. Now the water should get boiled to about 205 degrees, and then let it cool a little bit. Make sure you stir. You really want to get everything, all the grounds there with the hot water saturated. Just grab your coffee mug. You're gonna flip the AeroPress over. Just want to set a timer, probably no more than a minute and a half. Press down on the top, and you're almost gonna hear it hissing like sound. There it was. And, there you go. And here is, we'll go black today, baby, with our cup of coffee. I wish the dumplings were ready so I could pair them right now, but it's okay. I can always keep drinking this or brew another cup, because why not? It's a quick, easy brewing method, one of my favorites. AeroPress coffee. Good job, Alan. You know, his main thing is he wanted to reduce bitterness in coffee. Cheers to you, Alan, you fellow American inventor. So here's the way to clean this. You just twist. When you twist this off here, yep, just like that. You can have your empty filter here. And this, I push it straight into the garbage. I'm gonna try to show you guys without burning myself, because I don't know if you could see. Let's get really close. I don't think you could see it. Oh look, I got flour on me. See my hair steaming, baby? That's because this coffee is so hot. And this puck here that the chamber created just disposes pretty easy. It's like a little cupcake. It's hot. It's burning me, but I'm doing it for you guys. And then you just want to rinse this off with water, and boom, that's it. Easy to clean, easy to travel with, easy to brew. AeroPress. I don't know why I'm like selling it. It's mine. I paid for it. I bought it. All right. It's been about 15 minutes. And it was perfect because once this guy right there started boiling, this guy with those guys in there were at 15 minutes, which is perfect. So the timer just went off. The oven's done. The dumplings hopefully are done. And this guy's thickening. So before we bring out the 4 little thick dudes, let's do the butter and lemon juice into the reduced sauce. We're gonna put that guy right in there, let her float. Half our lemon juice. Let's whisk it. Like so, like so, like so. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh no, I'm not judging the coffee. I'm saying moment of truth because dumplings are coming out. And y'all know me. I won't look at it until you do. You know why, right? I'm not looking, I swear. I just smelled something smoky and it worried me. But here we go. On a count of 3. 1, 2. Oh, who am I kidding? All right, go. Oh, whoa, these dudes got big. Now that is thick with 2 C's. Woo. Okay, so I'm gonna put them on a plate before we put some sauce on them, okay? So they look nicer, because this baking sheet is not nice. Last and final step. We're gonna serve the pouring sauce over the dumplings while they're still hot, and they're hot, trust me. Okay, I don't know if these turned out as great as the baklava, but so far they look and smell amazing. Sauce, spooned, and I wouldn't recommend, if I were to change one thing, I wouldn't recommend putting them on wax paper, because this guy right here that's going, yeah, that dude, he didn't really survive me taking him out. If I lift this up, he's gonna fall. So he's gonna fall right through the bottom. So we're not gonna do that. Let's see if our special judges are ready. Are you ready?
Judges.
Yes, because we have a little dumpling in this oven. She hears this stuff all day. Probably sick of it. All right, so don't touch this guy. He'll fall right through the bottom. Choose whichever one you think looks the nicest or prettiest. And you obviously can see...
Am I going to burn my mouth? You're going to...
Yeah, you might. As you can see, I haven't tried any of these, so she's the first one to try it. I would also recommend some ice cream, actually. If we had some vanilla ice cream, plop that sucker right on top. Here we go. Ooh, it is hot, so let's give her a minute.
Oh my god.
Wait,
this is so good.
Oh, okay. I was like, gonna finish the sentence. Is it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Nice. I'll just stand here and hold it.
Okay. Do you want to try some?
Please, yeah. You don't want that bite?
No, try it. It's good.
Yeah. Not as good as those dumpling desserts you treated me to at that one time, that restaurant, but the restaurant in Century City. But those are good. These are awesome. Cool. So there you guys have it. Oh, I know. You're asking, where's the little guy? He's Mimi's. He was tired. He was too tired today. But anyways, he's had a long day. I've had a long day. I'm still perspiring. She ain't. She's doing some stuff. She's saying bye-bye. And anyways, I'm going to continue to enjoy this one so then she could have a brand new one here later on when she comes back out. But in the meantime, try some of these at home. If you have, let me know in the comments below. Remember, like if you liked, dislike if you didn't dislike, but let me know why you disliked. Trust me, I like constructive criticism. I enjoy it. I learn from it. We all grow from it, right? I'm going to eat this nice steaming piece of apple dumpling. Thank you guys so much. Share if you can. And share kindness. Be safe out there, guys. I appreciate it. Here on Whisking It. Oh, hot but good.